Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse ERP Finance module. In the previous video, we understood tax management processes. Now in this video, we will learn an important concept related to foreign currency transactions forward contract management in Lighthouse ERP. This process helps organizations manage currency fluctuation risk and ensures better financial control. Let's understand this step by step, basic concept. Before going into the system, let's understand the concept in simple terms. When companies deal in foreign currency, exchange rates keep changing. This can lead to unexpected profit or loss. To manage this risk, companies enter into a forward contract with the bank, where the exchange rate is fixed for a future transaction. This overall process is called forward contract management, also commonly known as hedging. Forward contracts can be created for both purchase and sales transactions. Here, we will understand the process using a purchase example for simplicity. 1. Forward contract entry, contract booking. This is the main screen where the forward contract is created. Here, the user enters currency details, contract amount, exchange rate, contract period, bank details, interest and margin amount. The system allows contract booking, partial or full allocation, linking with the LC if required. Once saved, this becomes a fixed rate forward contract. After creation, the contract goes for approval. Once approved, contract becomes active. It can be used for allocation. Exchange rate risk is controlled. This screen shows all forward contracts. Users can track contract amount, allocated amount, balance amount, contract status. 2. Payment allocation. Now let's understand how payments are linked with forward contracts. Here, the user allocates vendor payments against the forward contract. This means payment and invoice can be processed independently using a forward contract. The forward contract will be linked to the payment, always either payment or purchase bill, whichever is booked first. The system calculates the difference between the exchange rate in the forward contract and the actual transaction rate during payment or invoice booking. This difference is automatically recognized as Forex gain or loss and posted accordingly. This automation significantly reduces manual effort, errors, and confusion in calculating profit or loss due to exchange rate fluctuations. This ensures the transaction uses the pre-decided exchange rate. 3. Receipt allocation. Next, let's understand receipt allocation. Here, customer receipts are allocated to forward contracts. The system allows single or multiple contract allocation, partial allocation, balance tracking. This helps match actual receipts with contract rates. Note: payment, receipt, and invoice can be processed independently using a forward contract. The forward contract will be linked always at the time of receipt. The system calculates the difference between the forward contract rate and the actual exchange rate at the time of invoice or receipt. This difference is automatically recognized as Forex gain or loss and posted accordingly. This automation significantly reduces manual effort, errors, and confusion in calculating profit or loss due to exchange rate fluctuations. This ensures that the transaction uses the pre-decided, hedged, exchange rate. 4. Bill allocation. Now let's understand bill level allocation. This is used to allocate purchase bills with forward contracts. This screen helps in tracking commercial bill allocations. This provides visibility of contract usage and allocation status. 5. Contract rollover. Important. Now let's understand an important concept: contract rollover. The system allows you to roll over the contract. If a forward contract is not fully utilized before its expiry, the remaining amount is rolled over. A new forward contract is created for the unutilized amount. This new contract is booked at a revised exchange rate based on current market conditions. The remaining, unutilized amount from the original contract is carried forward to the new contract. Any difference in rates during rollover may result in Forex gain or loss, which is accounted for accordingly. This process helps in better risk management and continuous hedging of foreign currency exposure. This helps in better risk management. To summarize this video, forward contract management in Lighthouse ERP helps organizations fix exchange rates using forward contracts, reduce currency fluctuation risk, allocate payments and receipts efficiently, track contract utilization, manage contract rollover. This ensures better control over foreign currency transactions. This completes the forward contract management process in Lighthouse ERP. In the next video, we will continue exploring more important financial processes. See you in the next video, learners.